Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
So today we are going to learn about the HTML language, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Markup Language. So this will be the complete series about the web development, how we can develop the static web pages with the help of the HTML, and this is the basic use of the HTML. How basically we can develop the web pages with the help of the HTML. Okay, then there will be the next series we have of the CSS, which is known for the cascading style sheet. So whenever we wanted to apply some of the style on our static web pages, that time we can use the CSS. And third series we are going to cover, which is named as a JavaScript. So basically JavaScript we are using for the like whenever you wanted to create or like that whenever our static web pages we wanted to behave dynamically, that time we can use the JavaScript language. So we are going to start with this HTML language. So hypertext transfer markup language basically used for the creating a static web pages. Okay. So the first question is, if we wanted to write down the code for the HTML, which tool basically we can use? So there are n number of tools are available in the market, guys, like simple Notepad, Notepad plus plus. Here also you can write down the HTML code, but there is auto suggested HTML scripts are not popping up. So that is why we are mostly moved to our one of the more popular tool, which is absolutely free for use, which is named as a Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Basically we are going to use. So how to download the VS Studio Code, that also we are going to cover. So for that I'm just opening the what guys, searching over Google Chrome, and here I'm searching Visual Studio Code download. This string I'm going to search, and here you can see these first options we are getting. This is an official website for the Visual Studio Code. Here I'm just clicking on this line. Now VS Code basically available for all these three platforms, for Windows, for Linux, for Mac. So here if we are Windows user, here you simple just need to click on this 64-bit like version. So if I'm clicking on the 64-bit version, here you can see the automatic download is started over here. I'm just canceling this download because I already have downloaded this file on my machine. When this is done, guys, I need to go to my download folder. Okay, and here you can see, guys, VS Code set user setup file is automatically available here. So here I am just need to double click on this .exe file, and once you are clicking on this, double click over there, the first welcome window we have, this is a license agreement. Here I just need to click on this I accept the agreement, and you need to click on this next button. Let it be all these terms, again you need to click on this next button. This is also let it be, don't change here anything. Click on this next button, let it be all these things as it is, and just need to click on this next button. And here also you need to click on this install button. Just you need to wait for a couple of seconds, and within a minute probably your VS Code installation will complete, guys. Okay, so the here installation is in progress. Here you can see, see guys, your installation is completed, and here you just need to click on this finish button, and your Visual Studio Code is automatically started over here. Okay, here you can see setup is in progress, and probably your Visual Studio Code will be open soon here. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. It's loading, guys. And here you can see, this is how your Visual Studio Code is like opening over here. Okay, once this is done, now here just wait. Okay, and now once this is installation is completed, this is the by default project I already created over here. So I'm just closing this tag, and this is a project. Now like this is the project basically we have. So if you wanted to create the project, simple, you need to create a folder over here, and in that folder you can create the HTML pages. Okay, now suppose I am creating the one of the like one of the HTML page over here. Like what, like how we are going to create? Simple, I'm just selecting this what guys, ZDemo folder we have, and here I just need to click on this. Or anyways, what you can do, you can create a separate folder here as well. Here I'm just selecting this HTML CSS project folder, and here I'm just clicking on this what guys, like new file I'm just going to click, and here I'm just giving the name demo.html file. Okay, once I'm done, here you can see guys, this file will open over here. Now here you can write down the code over here. Like first of all, whenever you wanted to write down the whenever you wanted to create the web page with the help of the HTML, you must need to use the HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag you have to create, and you need to like this is how like opening and closing tag is automatically opening up over here. Then again second tag you have to use, which is name as a what guys, uh, second tag probably you can use over here, header tag. So whenever you wanted to give the head tag, like header means this will be the header for your web page, so you must need to use the head tag. Then another tag you can use over here like title. Okay, now title, like any website you can take over here. Suppose I'm just opening this website. So here you can see guys, if I'm going back over here, download Visual Studio Code, this is an header basically we have. So if you wanted to give this kind of header to our web pages, simply you must need to use the title tag over here. And here I'm giving the title tag like header I'm giving over here, demo demo title I'm just giving over here. And once this is done guys, then below the head tag, here you can see I close this head tag over here. Now here you can add the another tag which is named as a body tag. So body tag basically actually it is giving us like what this body tag contain these many things guys. Whatever things you can see over here, these many things are contained by the body tag. So whenever you wanted to add anything on the web page, you must need to add in the body tag. So here I'm just adding the body tag over here, and here I'm just adding the one thing which is like h1 I'm going to add. H1 basically we have, this is the font, this is the header basically we have, heading sections basically we have the h2 h3 this kind of heading section. We are going to learn all these concepts in our upcoming sessions. So I'm just giving over here h1, and here I'm just giving the name welcome to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio. Okay, once this is done, I just need to select the like save this file, and I just need to run this file guys. Okay, I just need to run this file right now. Like this is how we can run the file. Once I'm running this file, here you can see the like my folder is automatically, file will automatically open over here, and here you can see the demo header also, title also we will get, and welcome to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio also, this text also we will get. So this is how basically we can create our web pages. Okay, now uh, can we run this web page, can we create the web pages in the notepad? Yes, you can able to create. Now here you can see like I am just opening this notepad over here, and let me erase this all terms, and let me write down HTML this tag basically, and closing this tag HTML. Okay, when this is done, again I'm creating the what guys header tag basically. I'm going to create head, and again I'm closing this tag. The disadvantage here is you can see nothing is automatically popping up over here. Every each and every syntax you have to write down. Again I'm going to write down body over here, and in this body also I'm going to create like closing this, not body, sorry, my bad. You don't need to create. Now here I'm just creating the title over here. Like what title I'm going to create, like demo. Okay, or instead of demo, test demo, this title I'm going to give over here, and again this title I'm going to close title. Okay, when this is done, even you can write down the like this is the head basically we have. Even you can write down the thing, another thing you can write down, like when this is done you can write down the body tag over here. Okay, you can close this body tag over here. Okay, and once this is done, this body tag is not closed over here, and here you can, I'm going to add the body over here. Like here I'm going to add paragraph basically, welcome to Ganesh Jadhav automation automation Studio. Okay, so this is how basically we can write down the thing, and I'm closing the thing, guys. Okay, once this is done, now the next precautions what we need to do, we need to save this file, but what, with the help of the HTML extension. So here you can see test, this file I'm saving as a test dot html extension I'm giving, and here save as a type, here I'm just selecting the all files. Once this is done, here you can see I'm saving this file on the desktop, and here you can see I'm just saving this file on the desktop. Once this is done, I'm going to my desktop over here. Here you can see, and probably you can see this file, here you can see, guys, test.demo file, not demo, test.html file. Once I'm double click on this file, here you can see, guys, like this file will be open up over here on the Chrome browser, and here you can see test demo. This is a title we given over here, and welcome to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio. So this is how we can write down the HTML script without any tool, but the thing over is there will be the some of the hectic we have. Okay, and this is the thing basically I wanted to tell you about the HTML, how basically what is meant by the HTML, what is meant by the CSS, what is meant by the JavaScript, uh, how to download the VS Code tool in our local machine, how to write down the script. This is basic scenario, basic idea I need to give to you guys, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Upcoming video I'm going to release for how to install live server on our VS Code, so we can run our HTML code on the live server, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.